Hello friends, my name is Shubham and today I will explain you how to use Glide library in Toy Story project. This simple and Toy Story project. First of all, we will go to the documentation of Glide library. Here we will copy the dependency. Here we will add the dependency in Toy Story project in the build grader module app, and here we will use a view binding. If you don't know view binding, you can follow my series. I will provide you link in the description box. Now here we will add the image view. Now here we will create the method. Now here we will pass the context. Here we will provide the image link. Now here we will call the method. Here we will give the internet permission. Here is the image shown. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.